Ain't no tip, who gon' get jealous when your friend.
What up, YouTube? Hey, man, it's your boy Scatyblk817, man. Check it back in, man. Back with another video, man. Back with another audio banger for your head top, man. Hey, if you're new over here and you ain't subscribed to the channel, man, hey, do so right now. Subscribe to the channel. We're going up our 2020. We ain't playing no games over here, man. Hey, shout out to everybody who's been rocking with the channel, who's been watching the videos, man. I appreciate y'all. Hey, so this video right here, man, long overdue video right here, man. So as y'all know, my whole audio system, my wires got fried, my battery was tripping. I had the red light of death come on my car. It was going dead, it wasn't starting up. I don't know. I ended up upgrading to the SKAR audio 0 gauge OFC kit, man. And when I say, man, it got my system banging hard, man. So I know in this video right here, let me go and say it, get it out the way, man. I already know in this video right here, y'all gonna probably see some stuff on my build that y'all don't like or whatever. It's cool, shout it. I ain't tripping. Y'all tell me what y'all like, how y'all build is. Drop a comment down below. Tell me what kind of setup you got on your build, man. I got something in mind that we finna do on this channel that we're gonna bring everybody together, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all comment down below, man. Let me know y'all build, man. What kind of build y'all got, man? Hey, if you're not following me on my Instagram, follow me on my Instagram, man, @SKAtyblk817. I post on there every day, man. You know what I'm talking about? Let me show y'all you know what I'm saying, what I did to the build, man. You know what I mean? Y'all comment, let me know all that, what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. So as y'all see, man, there go the fraud cap right there. All 0 gauge, man. All 0 gauge ran cleanly. Got it. We got this inline fuse, so the amp is actually hooked up to the capacitor, and the capacitor is actually running from the battery. You know what I'm saying? So the capacitor is getting power from the battery, and it's storing power up in here, and it's helping feed the amp power. So not only is the amp getting power from the battery, but it's also getting the power from there, and it's helping it. I know a lot of people say it don't work, but to me, I think it worked. Now, one of the things that I did, you know what I'm saying, and man, I was just doing this because I didn't really have no thicker wire, man. So, man, I took two, man, I think these is like, I want to say maybe 12 gauge. I had to look on the pack, but I think it's 12 gauge or 10 gauge. I took basically two of these, as y'all see right there, and I just doubled them up and ran them, man. And I mean, man, the results is amazing. So, you know, y'all, think about what you want to think about that, but shit, it worked for me. Y'all already know. And then the battery, man, I end up upgrading. I end up putting in another battery, a bigger battery. It's not a dry cell battery, but it's a commercial battery. It's made for big trucks. Damn, bro, these motherfucking bugs and shit. God damn, what the fuck? Shit, gotta get up out of this motherfucker, bro. Shit. So anyway, here you go. Here go that cap. Y'all see, man. DB drive, good quality. Digital cap, man. 10. I know people gonna say it don't work. It's useless. But I beg to differ, man. I can most definitely feel the difference.
Just to reach your interest when they mention how you get your dough. When you getting more, taking notes, cause they making show who they waiting for. Making notes, like they taking notes, they keep waiting for. Every step, just to hate you more, just to hate you more. Hey! If they see you win, it's a new beginning. Cause they said you stacking money.
Now y'all remember the car ain't on now, right? Watch this.
On top of money.
telling y'all, man, hey, I'm telling y'all, man, get you some OFC wire copper. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see how I run my setup. Fraud cap. Hey, and it's banging. Like I say, I put my system up to anybody's, man. Anybody's. Get in my car and let me bang you out. That's facts. And I'm talking about, just imagine if I had a bigger box with a bigger amp. Man, I can't imagine how hard them things gonna hit, man. American bass, man, I'm talking about hands down, to me, gotta be one of the better subs. They I mean, a lot of people never even heard of them. But I'm talking about, man, they bang, man. They bang hard, man. I ain't playing no games, man. And so, like I said, man, I ain't gonna hold the video up, man. Hey, I appreciate everybody who tuned in. Appreciate everybody who rocking with me. Y'all keep rocking with me, man. Let's keep going up. Let's keep growing, man. 2K is the goal over here, man. But y'all already know how we do it over here, man. It's your boy Scatty Black, man, signing out. And I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Go!